Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon. Next to me I have this brand new 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's in the agate black metallic paint. It does have the Tremor off-road package. This is right off the truck here. Powered by the 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. Your nice Tremor off-road running boards. There is caps that go on the wheels as well. They're just not installed quite yet. You have your dual exhaust back here, rear parking sensors. This one is option with the power sliding rear window. And then you do have your trailer connections back here, spray and bed liner, and your tailgate step here as well, and LED bed lighting. This one is the 6 3/4 foot bed. Really beautiful truck all the way around. Coming around to the interior, you do have your twin panel moonroof here, so nice bright open interior. Partition fold flat storage back here, heated rear seats, your own climate vents, USB ports, and a 12-volt power there, or sorry, a 3-prong power. Storage behind the driver and passenger seats. Black Onyx interior. You have cup holders that fold down from the center seat there as well. Coming up to the front of the truck, power windows and locks, of course, power glass adjusting and telescoping trailer tow mirrors, power folding as well. Driver seat memory, automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals. Very comfortable front power seats that are heated and cooled. And of course they do have lumbar. Stepping the vehicle, brand new truck here. 12-inch digital display right behind the steering wheel. Really nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel. You got your cruise control, your different volume adjustments, and then your menu controls there. 12-inch center display. To throw it in reverse, there's your 360 and rear view camera. Trailer brake controller, different 4x4 modes, different drive modes, locking rear axle. Dual zone climate, heated and cooled seats, heated wheel, wireless phone charging here, a couple USB ports, more power options like a 12-volt and 3-prong. You get the extra large cup holders that I like on the Super Duty. Remote start there on the key fob, plenty of storage in the lockable center console, and more over here in the locking glove box. Storage just above that as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror. I should mention you get a really nice B&O audio system with this truck as well. All your sunroof controls. This one does have upfitter switches and your universal garage door opener. So really beautiful truck all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle or would like a truck like this, please reach out to me. You can reach me directly at my cell any time of the day, 647-546-9348. Or you can reach me during business hours here at the dealership, 705-738-2393, and ask for Ryan. Thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.